All right, so here we're supposed to do same thing. Simplify the expression, assumes all variables are real numbers. All right, so let's do something a little bit different this time. So this time we have, q to the 18, and then we have the sixth root of that. Well, the sixth root is the same thing as the 1/6 power. So now this is going to make it a little easier because we can take 18 times 1/6, and if we do that over here, that's really 18 over 1 times 1 over 6. Well, 6 will go in here once, it'll go in here 3 times, and so really what we end up with is q to the third. Now, again, even numbers, so we have to have the absolute value of q to the third. So we can't have negatives, and so we have to have positives here. So that's why we have the absolute value. All right, what about this one? If possible, evaluate the function at the given values of the variable. All right, so we want to find it f of -1 and f of 8. All right, well, that's going to be the square root of 3 minus 3 times the minus 1. Well, that's going to be the square root of 3, and then minus on minus is going to be plus, so 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. And so the square root of 6, it doesn't say how much of an evaluation, so we could leave it at that. If we wanted to, we could plug it into our calculator and figure out like to the hundredth. And so if we did that to the hundredth, what we would have is, let's do square root of 6, and that would give us 2.45. So we'll say one of those two values. So, or approximately 2.45. So this would be the exact value. This would be the approximate value. Now, what if we plug in 8? Well, that's going to be square root of 3 minus 3 times 8. Well, here, that's going to be a minus 24, and then plus 3, so that's going to be the square root of a negative 21. Well, we want to evaluate the variable, but square root of negative 21, that's an imaginary number, and so we just say not possible with real numbers. Okay. We could do it with imaginary, but we're not there at that point right now. And so we just say it's not possible with the real numbers. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.